If you recently upgraded to Windows 11 and you're still not comfortable with how everything looks, trust me, you are definitely not alone. So many Windows users felt the exact same thing. The new Start menu, the centered taskbar, the redesigned right click menu, the missing ribbon, the new tray icons. Suddenly, everything looks different, everything behaves different, and it almost feels like you're using someone else's computer. And if you love the clean, simple Windows 10 layout, yeah, Windows 11 can feel a little annoying at first. But don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring back that familiar, comfortable Windows 10 look inside Windows 11 safely, easily, and step by step. No tricky hacks, nothing risky, and the best part? You can undo everything whenever you want. Before we jump into the tutorial, do me a small favor. If this topic already feels helpful, give this video a like and drop some hype in the comments. And if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tips like this. Alright, with that out of the way, let's begin. Before we start making changes, there's something important you should know. Some of the fixes we're doing today can be adjusted directly from Windows 11's built-in settings. But the bigger improvements, the ones that actually make Windows 11 feel like Windows 10 again, those require a small tool called Explorer Patcher. Now, if you've never heard of Explorer Patcher, don't worry for even a second. Let me explain it in the simplest, clearest way. Explorer Patcher is a tiny, completely free tool. It doesn't replace your Windows files, it doesn't modify anything permanently, it doesn't break updates, and it doesn't mess with your system in any harmful way. All it does is tell Windows to use the classic UI elements that are already inside Windows 11, just hidden from you. Millions of people use it every day. It's open source, meaning anyone can inspect the code. And here's something that should give you total peace of mind. If you ever change your mind and want to remove it, you can uninstall it like a normal program. Your Windows instantly goes back to default, no harm done. Alright, now that you know what it is and why it's safe, let me show you how to get it. Open your browser and go to this page. I'll put a link in the description. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you see ep_setup.exe. Click it to download, and when it finishes, just run the installer. Windows will show a permission pop-up. Click Yes, that's completely normal. After installation, you may see a message saying it's downloading symbols for your Windows version. Don't worry about that, it's just syncing with your system. Once that's done, simply restart your PC so everything loads correctly. And one more little thing, Explorer Patcher doesn't put any icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. After you run it, if you see Windows 10 taskbar like this, all you do is right-click on the taskbar and click Properties to open it. And if your taskbar has not changed yet and you can't find Properties when you right-click the taskbar, just search for Explorer Patcher. Open its file location. Right-click on Explorer and pin it to Start. Now you'll be able to find it in Start menu apps. Like this. Open it. That's where all the settings live. Alright, now let's start restoring the Windows 10 look. Bring back the classic right-click menu. Let's begin with something that annoys almost everyone, the right-click menu. In Windows 11, when you right-click, half the options are hidden behind Show More Options, and you constantly have to click again just to access basic tools. It slows down simple tasks and even breaks older apps. So let's fix that first. Open Explorer Patcher, go to the File Explorer section, and check the Disable the Windows 11 context menu option. Restart File Explorer, give it a moment, and then right-click anywhere on your desktop. You'll notice that the full Windows 10 style menu is back instantly. No more extra clicks, and all your apps like 7-Zip, WinRAR, Git, and everything else appear exactly where they used to. Restore the classic Windows 10 Start menu. Now let's fix the Start menu, probably the biggest shock for most people. The Windows 11. Start menu looks more like a phone app drawer and offers very limited customization. To bring back the classic Windows 10 Start menu, right-click your taskbar again, open Properties, and switch over to the Start menu section. Here, change the Start menu style to Windows 10. You can turn off rounded corners if you want the older look, and also keep the full app list visible. The moment you apply it, your Start menu becomes organized again, structured, familiar, and way easier to use. Move the Start button back to the left. If you're not a fan of the centered Start button, let's move it back. Your hand probably still goes to the bottom left corner out of habit, so let's restore that. Right-click the taskbar. Open Taskbar Settings. Scroll down to Taskbar Behaviors. And change the alignment from center to left. That's it. Want to restore any feature? Just undo the settings. Bring back the old Windows 10 taskbar. Windows 11 removed a ton of taskbar features like ungrouping, labels, right-click menus, and toolbars, but you can get all of that back. In Explorer Patches, switch to the taskbar section and change the taskbar style to Windows 10. Your taskbar will refresh and suddenly all the old options return. Right-click menus, toolbars, ungrouped icons, and a much more functional layout. Restore the classic File Explorer ribbon. Next, let's talk about File Explorer. The Windows 11 toolbar looks modern but hides most of the useful buttons like copy, paste, rename, sorting, and layout controls. If you miss the Windows 10 ribbon, you can bring it back instantly. In Explorer Patcher, go to File Explorer and select the Windows 10 ribbon UI. You can also disable the Show Recently Opened Files. You'll immediately get the full ribbon back, fast, familiar, and so much easier to use. Clean up the Start menu. If you think the Start menu shows too many recently used files or recommended items, you can clean it up easily. Go to Settings, open Personalization, choose Start, and turn off recently opened items, recently added apps, and recommendations. Your Start menu will look clean, simple, and private again. Bring back the old volume, network, and clock pop-ups. Fix the system tray behavior. In Windows 11, clicking the volume icon opens a huge quick settings panel instead of the simple slider we had before. Let's get the older flyouts back. Still inside Explorer Patcher, go to the system tray settings and change the sound, network, battery, and clock options to Windows 10 flyout. Now, when you click on them, you get the clean, compact pop ups again, just like Windows 10. The system tray in Windows 11 behaves differently. Icons hide unexpectedly, menus lag, and everything feels inconsistent. Let's fix that too. In the system tray section, enable the classic skinning options and switch the hidden icons pop up to the Windows 10 style. You'll instantly notice that the tray feels more responsive and much easier to control. Move the taskbar to the top if you use the top taskbar in Windows 10, or you simply prefer it. You can bring it back even though Windows 11 removed this feature. Open the taskbar settings again inside Explorer Patcher and set the taskbar position to top. The entire taskbar jumps to the top of your screen, just like the older versions of Windows allowed. Make search faster by turning off the modern search interface. Lastly, let's fix the Windows 11 search bar. The modern search UI is slow and sometimes doesn't show the right results. To make it faster, go back to Explorer Patcher and disable the modern search bar under the File Explorer section. This instantly switches search back to the classic, faster version. You can even hide the search box completely if you prefer a cleaner layout. And that's it. With these simple changes, your Windows 11 now looks and behaves almost exactly like Windows 10, but with the updated performance improvements still working in the background. It's the best mix of both worlds, and honestly, this setup feels far more comfortable to use. If you want a part 2 with deeper customization tricks or even more advanced Explorer Patcher settings, just let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to Tech2 AI for more easy Windows tutorials.